Well, in this question, we are asked to determine a radian value for the rotation that happens if this is your initial arm. Whoops. If this is your initial arm, to go all the way to this position right there. Okay? So I need to know what that radian measure is. I could sort of do it in degrees because I know this is a 30 degree, like each of these are 30 degrees. So this is 30, and then this would be 60, this would be 90, this would be 120 degrees. But they do want it in radians, so let's talk radians for a second. So for radians, in terms of the number of 30 degrees there are, this is 150, this is 180. So there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 30-degree segments in from here to here. And that whole section, since the whole circle is 2 pi, then just half of that has to be 1 pi. Now, if we separate this 1 pi, that's this piece right there, into 6 segments, then each segment has to be a sixth. So 30 degrees is the same as 1/6 pi. 60 degrees right there is the same as 2/6 pi, which I could further simplify to 1/3 pi. This one, 90 degrees, would be 3/6 pi, which I could simplify to pi over 2. And this m right there is 120, that would be 4/6 pi. And 4/6 pi I could simplify to 2/3 pi. Okay? So each of those segments are separated in different ones. So those are 30s. The one in the middle there, let me use a different color. This one here would be a 45 degree. So that's a 45 degree. And you could ask yourself, well, how many 45s are there in half a revolution? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 of them, so 45 would be 1/4 pi. 90 degrees would be 2/4 pi, which is the same as pi over 2. And this spot right there would be 3/4 pi. Okay, hopefully you're getting on to how you can separate that quadrant out. You can always find the angle in degrees and then do the conversion to radians. That works too. Like, let me try that with P. So P is right here, and that looks like a 45 degrees away from this 180. So that whole angle to there is 180 plus 45, or 225 degrees. If I want to convert that 225 degrees to radians, then I'll multiply it by the ratio where the degrees are on the bottom so I can cancel them. So I multiply by pi over 180, the degrees cancel, and then I just simplify 225 over 180. And I think that 45 goes into the top one 5 times, and 45 goes in 180 4 times. Okay? So 225 degrees is the same thing as 5/4 pi. Hopefully that helps you with that question.